Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Electrum wallet from Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Electrum wallet from your Windows computer, begin by closing the application if it is currently open. Locate the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, look for the Programs option and click on it. Next, click on Programs and Features to see a list of all the installed applications on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Electrum. Click on Electrum to highlight it. Then, look for the Uninstall button at the top of the window and click on it. Follow the prompts that appear to confirm the uninstallation process. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete, which should only take a few moments. Once completed, you will see a confirmation message indicating that Electrum has been successfully uninstalled. Next, it is a good idea to check for any residual files. Open File Explorer from your taskbar. Navigate to the C:\users\left bracket your username right bracket /appdata /roaming single quote directory. Look for any folders named Electrum and delete them to remove any remaining files. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently delete these files from your computer. You have successfully uninstalled the Electrum wallet from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.